Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add debit or credit card onto PS4 account. So if you have a PS4 and you want to add your debit or credit card and you don't know how, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your home screen and then you need to scroll to the settings on the top right, as seen from here. To that you need to click on account management option as seen from here, and then from here you need to go to account information. So when you select this option, it will ask you to verify your account, so you may need to actually enter your password again or something like that. After that, this menu will appear, you need to click on wallet. So from here, you will have a lot of options. So the first one is to add a payment method. You need to click on it. Then it will redirect you to the payment methods section. So from here you can add PayPal account, Cash App, Pay account, or debit or credit card. So you can choose credit or debit card as seen from here. So you need to make sure from this menu that you are adding a credit card that matches your account region. So if your account region is USA, you need to add a USA credit card. So from here you need to fill all of the information, the card number, your name and the expiry date. And after that you need to hit on next and then your card now will be added. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.